Hello and welcome to Ninja Solves. On today's video, we're gonna look at that, for instance, you created an invoice and the order was still at pending, and now you have received your inventory and how you can update that the status of that very invoice. So we'll go to purchases and list of purchases. Here you will see all the purchase invoices that you have. You need, so let's say we want to update the status of this invoice. As you can see here, it is showing as pending and the balance is still due. That means that you have not yet paid the invoice. So we'll click on the actions button from the very first column. In front of that very invoice, we hit added. And as you can see that here the status is showing pending. We'll click on receive and you hit update. So as you can see, the status of the invoice has been changed from pending to update. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.